Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. My project title is a cloud-based scheme for protecting the source location's privacy against a hotspot locating attack in wireless sensor network. In this project, we are going to protect the source location's privacy, which is in the major issues in wireless sensor network. Normally, in wireless sensor network, it consists of large number of sensing devices. It's called as a sensor nodes. Each node in a network can sense the data and send the sensed data to the sink. Since sensed data are typically transmitted through the wireless channels, so adversaries can easily eavesdrop. So therefore, preserving the source node location's privacy is essential. In existing systems, they protect the source node location's privacy based on global-based and routing-based techniques. But this technique is not much efficient. So therefore, in our proposed system, we use the cloud-based scheme for protecting the source location's privacy. So thereby, using the cloud-based scheme, we can efficiently reduce the energy, packet sent, and privacy. Now I'm going to explain the complete flow of my project. This is the flow of my projects. At first, I'm going to create a sensor node in a network. After creating a sensor node, I'm going to give each node identity. After giving an identity, we need to create a fake node. For assigning a fake node, we can send a fake packets. If any node receiving the fake packets can forward it to the next hop. If it is not available, it will be returned back to the sender. The sender assigns it as a fake node. After creating a fake node, we need to identify the first occurrences of the fake nodes, then assigning that as a fake source node. After creating or assigning the fake source node, we need to send the real event. The node, after sending the real event, it can forward the sensed data to the fake and then it forwards the fake to sync. In this file, first we need to click on node formation. In my network, I have a 4 sensor node and 1 sync, and then we need to start the server. After starting the servers, we go and run the each node in the network. At first, I am going to run the sync node.java file because before starting an every sensor node, we need to start a data collectors. After starting the data collectors, every node in the sensor network can send the data to the sync. Therefore, we must first start the sync node. At the sync node, first you can generate a key for sync. This is used for identifying the node. Then active the sync. After activating the sync, we can go for run each node in the network. First, I am going to run a node 1. Likewise, a sync node, we need to generate a key for sensor node 1 and then identifying the status. If it is an active means we can send the ID to the sync. Likewise, node 2. In node 2 also we can generate a key for sensor node 2 and identifying the status and send the identity to sync. Likewise, node 3, we can to first generate a key and then identify the status and send the identity. And then go to run a node 4. In node 4 also we can generate a key for that node 4 and send a status and send the ID to the sink. After sending all the ID to the sink, we go to the sink and receive all the IDs sent by each node in the network. The received ID can be data stored in a sink. After receiving all those IDs, we need to create a fake node. For creating a fake, we need to run a fake.java file. And this is our network. Now we are going to create a fake node among those sensor nodes. For clicking the fake node creation button, the fake node will be created. For creating a fake node, we can send a dummy packet to their neighbors. The neighbor can forward to the another neighbors. If it is a node doesn't have any neighbors, that means the next hop. If the node doesn't have a next hop, it will forward to the sender node. The sender node assigns this as a fake node. This is the procedure for creating a fake node. For creating a fake node, we go to the node 1, so click fake node create button. That will be dummy packet will be broadcast to create a fake node. Then go to the sensor node to give any file name to receive the dummy packet. If the sensor node have a next hop, means it will forward that message to the next hop. Likewise, go to the sensor node 3, give some file name and click data receive. The sensor node 3 doesn't have a next hop, so it will be forward to the sender node. The sender node assign these as a fake node. The timing will be recorded for identifying the reliable fake node. Likewise, the sensor node 4, we give some file name and click a data receive. This node also doesn't have a next neighbor, so it will be forward to the sender node. The sender node assign this as a fake node. Timing also be recorded. After assigning the fake node, we need to sense the real event. For sensing a real event, we can run a sense.java file. This is our network, and then we are going to start our sensing. The sensor also start is sensed, and now the node 1 can sense the real event. Then we are going to identify the reliable fake source node. For identifying the reliable fake source node, we can need to click this. The node that has taken a less time taken, we can assign them as the fake source node. Now fake node can take 11 minutes, so fake node 2 is a reliable fake source node. Then we need to find the shortest path between the fake node 2 to the sink. The source node is fake node 2, the destination is sink. Now we are going to calculate the shortest path. The shortest path will be assigned using the Dijkstra algorithm. And then click view. This will show the shortest path between the fake source node to sink and merging cloud. Now we are going to transmit only the nodes fake node 2 to this is our network formation. Now we need to transfer the data between the node fake node 2 to sink. So the node 2 unsync will be active, so the energy level will be decreased for using this method. Likewise, the sensed data, the node 1 can be sensed the data. So now we can say this essential data as any text file. Here we can choose any text file. After selecting the files, the selected file will be encrypted before sending to the fake source node. After ciphering, it will be forwarded to the fake node. Now fake node 2 is a reliable one. So go to the fake node 2 and click data receive. After data received from source, we need to transfer the data to sink. Then go to the sink and click a file receive. At first the file received in encrypted form. After receive it, we need to decrypt it. After decrypting the file, we need to identify the which node contains the real event. So for clicking the hotspot, it will show the where we can receive from data. The node 1 will be hotspot for this round. This is a complete demo of my project. Thank you for watching this video.